The base for this tool wall and this cupboard are some of the things that were original to this workshop when we moved in, and I don't like them anymore. The tool wall is fine, but I feel I only use half of the tools on it. But the cupboard, on the other hand, is mostly filled with junk I don't need easy access to. And when I visited my friend Haavard's workshop and saw his wall of fame, I wanted a similar one. So with the cupboard removed, let's build a new tool wall in its place, and let's put some old projects where the tools hung. The design of this tool wall is heavily inspired by Evan Monsma's cozy workshop. Links to his video in the description. You might think that I should have used a French cleat, a pegboard, or even just a sheet of plywood. But those options cost money and effort, and I'm a lazy cheapskate. This was just leftover wooden stain, so the material is already paid for. And like a sheet of plywood, I can put screws wherever I feel like, but the spacings between the boards stops me from making it too crowded. Shelves can also be added wherever, but if I want a temporary one, it's just a matter of using a piece of angle iron. And this friction fit is so good, it even works inverted. So now it's just a matter of filling up the tool wall. This has to do for now. I'm far from finished. This section is going to get some drill storage, for instance, but I have to think about that a bit more. So now let's turn our attention to the wall of fame. The eagle-eyed among you can see that there are still some tools left on the wall, and that's because these are all projects. Well, except for this one, the knife that Rasmus Lowen made and I won in a raffle. Because I was thinking I should dedicate one part of the wall for gifts that I've been given from my maker friends from all around the world, and the rest of it, stuff that I've made. So there we have it, the new backdrop. A bit more weapon heavy than I was expecting, but let's not think about that. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice whatever you're having. This friction fit is so good, it even works inverted. And this friction fit is so good, it even works inverted. It even works inverted.